Hello guys, Quarry is back with another video, and today I will be teaching you how to create a welcome and leave message. So let's get on with it. First, last time we did simulation for joining and leaving. Today we'll be also using the simulation to test our welcome and leave message. So we use skill member remove event for the leave, and we use skill member add for the join. Instead of right here, I will be changing it to simulated join event. Also here would be simulated leave event. So today we'll be messing around with event folder. So let's create a guild member add.js and guild member remove.js. So as usual, we will be needing client, so constant client equal require // index, and then we will use Discord, so require Discord.js. And today we will be using a new module which is named Canva Cord. So this is the documentation here. We will be using npm install Canva Cord, so copy and paste in here, enter. While waiting, we will be looking at the doc. So this is an example here. You can look at the documentation. There's an example, for example, a rank card. I'll be teaching you later in the series how to create a level system. For this one would be a Spotify card, which show you the time, the etc. We'll be using a class called welcomer and leaver. You can also mess around with other image manipulation, like for example util, .discord time, .format hex, or a Canva Cord, which here you can see beautiful effect, bed, blur, brightness, burn, all kind of image manipulation. So let's get on with it. We'll be requiring Canva Cord equal require Canva Cord. Alright, so client dot on guild member add async. We'll make it async member and arrow function. Let me format it. We'll be first getting the welcome channel, so welcome channel. I'll be teaching you basic welcome channel first, and then maybe in the later episode I will be adding it to the setup command catch .get, and then we'll getting the channel ID. So just go into your Discord and right click copy ID. If you don't have the copy ID button, you can go to settings, scroll down and appearance, and here turn on developer mode. So copy it, and then I'll paste it here, and I'll be using let's call it welcomer. Let welcomer equal new Canva Cord dot. As you can see here, there's a lot, and we'll be using a welcomer. I'll be setting username, so set username, and then since right here we are getting it from member, so it will be member dot user dot username, and then I'll be setting the discriminator member dot user dot discriminator, and then set guild name member dot guild dot name, and then set avatar member dot user dot display play. Oops. Let me turn on do not disturb. And clear all notification. Okay, done. Display avatar URL dynamic false, and make the format become PNG. After that, we'll be setting background. This one we'll be using URL, so you can just search any image URL online. So I have already saved one right here. I'll be using free pic, which is a free photo. And after that, I will be setting the color. Whoops, what is wrong? Oh, that's set color. All of these you can find it in the Canva code welcomer classes. As you can see here, the color title, the text message, the text title, build set color. I will be setting all the colors here, and set member count. Oh, I forget set member count. I'll put it before guild name. Set member count, and then member dot guild dot member count. I'll be setting color for, let's say, title. Here we need to grab HTML5 code according to the set color. So here, I'll just grab, like, let's say welcome would be green. I don't know. Copy, and I will be pasting it here. And let's say set color title border. I'll make it white, so FF. And then set color, let's say avatar would be same thing. I'll just copy this. Alright, so set color username, add hashtag backend. Let me copy the whole thing. The set color, let's say username box. I'll just set it all green. It's all up to you. You can mess around with the color. Hashtag would be same thing. Dot set color. Let me close this off first. The set color here would be discriminator, and yellow again. I mean green. I'm colorblind. Oh my god. And discriminator box green again. I set it green and white, and then dot set color again. Let's say this one is message, so hashtag 42 dot set color message box. Oops, I have added more of these. Dot set color member count green. Dot set color background green. Dot set color border would be green. All of these are from here. Title box, blah blah blah. You can use dot text title created with Canva code, dot text message, and the dot color title. So let's see. And then here we would do welcomer dot build right here. According here, build welcome image is a promise. So it don't forget to add the bracket. And then then data would be constant attachment equal new Discord dot message attachment data, parse in data, and I'll say welcomer.png, and then welcome channel.send. Let mention the user first, so member.user, and then then welcome channel.send attachment. Alright, so let's try it out. Terminal, new terminal, node dot. Alright, so these are mongoose error. I mean, not error warning. Don't worry about it. So let's go dash sim join, simulated join event. There might be an error. Canvas core dot welcome is not a constructor. Let me check. Oh, we need to install Discord dash canvas. So npm I Discord dash canvas, enter. I think it should work now. Okay, so it is installed. So let's check out our camcorder.welcomer. No dot. And let's do dash sim join again. Alright, so here I got a ping. And right here is our image. Oh my god, looks so green. Let me change this color to be like black. So let's grab black. And hashtag discriminator message. We'll see. Well, yeah, member account. Let's save and rerun it. Dash sim join again. Alright, so it looked much better. You can change it whatever you want. So right here is my username, my ID, and this the server name, the member account, so I'm the third member, and this my avatar, as you can see here, 9164. So to create a guild member remove, this symbol, copy, paste, and let's change welcome channel here. Press F2 and change it to leave channel, enter. I won't be creating a new, yeah, I'll just clone it, leave, and I'll move it under copy ID, and I'll paste it here. Instead of welcomer, I will change it with F2 to be leaver. Press enter, and instead of welcomer here would be leaver. So let's try it out. Wait a second here. Terminal, new terminal, no dot. So let's try record to clear the channel and clean the channel again. So you guys can know that it worked. Let's try sim join. So here I got a ping. Oh wait a second. Alright, so I forget to change here to be guild member remove. Alright, so let's try it out again. No dot dash record dash record dash record. So here dash sim join dash sim leave. So here as you can see, sim join, it sent a welcome image. Let's leave. It will send a leave image here. Goodbye, we will miss you. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, or do so. And don't forget to comment if you got any problem. You can feel free to join my server, hop in, and I'll be able to help you. And see you next video.